Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Find the rank of the matrix capital A, that is equal to 2 minus 2 0 6, 4 2 0 2, 1 minus 1 0 3, 1 minus 2 1 2 by reducing it normal form. What friends? Normal form. What is normal form? How to find the rank of the matrix? Today we discuss concept and problems on normal form. Let us see the concept of normal form. Normal form or canonical form of a matrix. Every non-zero matrix A of rank R, okay, every non-zero matrix A of rank R can be reduced by a sequence of elementary transformation. What friends? Elementary transformation means elementary row operations and column operation. What friends? Once again, elementary row operations and, okay, please remember that means we are applying both row operations and column operation. Where friends? On A. To the form IR 0 0 0 called, this form is called normal form of capital A. Normal form of capital A. If you observe the normal form here, say here rank is R. He write here IR friends. Suppose rank is 2, it can be written as I2 0 0 0. If the rank is 3, I3 0 0 0. Okay, let us understand this concept through an example. Say A that is equal to 1 4 8 2 3 minus 5 2 1 2. So this is non-zero matrix. Okay, we are applying here elementary row operations and column operations. So first I want to apply elementary row operation friends. So to make below the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, to make below the diagonal elements are 0. Now I am applying column operations friends. Now I am applying column operations to make above the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, now we are applying both the row and column operation on this matrix till getting the form. Till getting the form here friends, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0. Now how many non-zero rows here? 1 2 friends, 1 2. This form is called normal form. So it can be written as I2, okay, because number of non-zeros 2 here, so I2 0 0 0. Okay, this form is called normal form. This form is called normal form. Okay, suppose if we have 1 here, then it can be written as I3 0 0 0 friends. Suppose it is 4 by 4 matrix, we get all the 4 rows are non-zero, then it can be written as I4 0 0 0. This form is called friends normal form. Once again, he given a matrix here, apply row operations to make the below the diagonal elements 0 and apply column operations above the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, you apply the both row and column operations till getting the form 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 or 0 0 1. Okay, if 0 0 1, it can be written as I3 0 0 0 friends. So here last row is 0. So number of non-zeros 2 here. So I2 0 0 0. This form is called normal form and the rank of the matrix is here friends 2. Rank of the matrix is 2. Okay. Now let us see one problem on normal form friends. Find the rank of the matrix A that is equal to 2 minus 2 0 6, 4 2 0 2, 1 minus 1 0 3, 1 minus 2 1 2 by reducing it normal form. That means we are first finding here normal form friends and then rank of the matrix. See here, this is 2015, 11 and 8 previous year question. Very important problem friends. Let us see the solution. First you write the given matrix, given A that is equal to 2 minus 2 0 6 4 2 0 2, 1 minus 1 0 3, 1 minus 2 1 2 1 2. Now I observe here 1 friends, here 1, third row first element is 1. So I want to interchange R1 R2 friends, sorry R3 R1 R3. So first row operation is R1 interchange R3. Okay, this is equivalence to 1 minus 1 0 3. Second row is 4 2 0 2. Third row is 2 minus 2 0 6. 2 minus 2 0 6. Fourth row is 1 minus 2 1 2 1 2. Now you apply elementary row operations to make below the diagonal elements are 0 friends. Below the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, first we are applying elementary row operations friends to make the below the diagonal elements are 0. First I want to make these 3 elements 0 friends by using R1. So elementary row operations here, come on, tell me elementary row operations. R2, okay, minus 4R1 in place of R2, that means transformation occurs in R2. Now R3, here we have 2, so minus 2R1 in place of R3. Here we have 1 friend, so R4 minus R1, so R4 minus R1 in place of R4, Now write here 1 minus 1 0 3. This is equivalent to 1 minus 1 0 3. Okay, 0 3. Clearly these elements are 0 friends. You write blindly. Now let's see first row operations here. R2 minus 4R1. R2, that means here 2. Okay, minus and minus plus 4. 2 plus 4, we get here 6. 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12, we get here minus 10. So second row elements are 6 0 minus 10. 6 0 minus 10. Okay, let us see next row operation. R3 minus 2R1. So R3 minus 2R1. So we get a minus and minus plus. So minus 2 plus 2, value is 0. 0. R3 minus 2R1. So second value is 0. 6 minus 6. This value also 0. So third row, all the elements are 0 here. 0 0 0. Last row operation R4 minus R1. So minus 2 minus into minus plus. So minus 2 plus 1 means we get here 1. So minus 1. 1 minus 0 1. 2 minus 3 means we get here minus 1. Okay, minus 1. That means minus 1 1 minus 1. Minus 1 1 minus 1. Minus 1 1 minus 1. Okay, now I want to make this element 0 friends by using R2. So the row operation is here. This is 1, so multiply with 6 R4. Already we have minus here, so plus R2 in place of R4. So this is equivalent to 1 minus 1 0 3 0 6 0 minus 10 0 0 0 0. Okay, we get here 0 0. Now here 6 minus 0, 6 plus 0 6 minus 6 minus 6, minus 10, minus 16. Now I want to interchange R2, sorry, R3, R4 friends. R1 interchange, sorry, R3 interchange R4. Then we get here 1, minus 1, 0, 3, 0, 6, 0, minus 10, 0, 0, 6, minus 16, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, there is one property friends. If there is any 0 row, it must be non-zero below the non-zero row friends, below the non-zero row. Okay, now if you observe here, all the below the diagonal elements are 0 friends. Now I am using column 1 to make these elements 0. Okay, these elements 0. Second, third, fourth row, first columns. So already there is a third column, first element is 0. So it is enough to make these two elements 0 friends. So what are the column operations here? Already we have minus here, simply add them. So C2 plus C1 in place of C2. That means transformation occurs in C2. And then I want to make this element 0. So we have 3 here. So C4 minus 3C1 in place of C4 friends, in place of C4. So this is equivalence to matrix 1 0 0 0. Clearly these elements are 0. C2 plus C1, that means 6 here, 0 0. Third row is already same, so third column, so 6 0 6 0. Now C4 minus, already we get a same matrix here, minus 10, minus 16, 0. Okay, now I want to make this element 0 friends by using C2, So the column operation is come on, tell me column operation. Simply do one thing here. 6C4 plus 10C2 in place of C4, So 1 0 0 0 6 0 0. This is equivalence to 1 0 0 0 0 6 0 0. Now we have 0 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 0, and this term 0, this term also 0. Okay, this term is 0. 6C4 means here 16 into 6 friends, 16 into 6, that means 36, 96. Okay, minus 96. This term is minus 96 and the last term is 0. So minus 96 0. Minus 96 0. Now I want to make this element 0 friends. Simply here by using C3. So 6C4 plus 96 C3 in place of C4. So this is equivalence to 1 0 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 0 6 0. Now 0 0, clearly this element is 0. Now fourth these two elements are 0, so 0. Okay, above the diagonal elements all the elements are 0. Now we have only diagonal elements. So diagonal element also 1 friends. So you do one row operation here, that is R2 by 6 and then R3 by 6 friends, R3 by 6. So this is equivalence to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now we have all the terms, all the elements are either 1 or 0, friends. So number of non-zeros now 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this can be written as here I3 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 0 0 0. This form is called, friends, normal form. This form is called normal form. Normal form. Now 3 is rank of the given matrix. So rank of A, that is equal to 3, friends. Rank of A, that is equal to 3. Once again, friends, he given a matrix, says here find the rank and reducing into normal form. First we are finding normal form and then rank of the matrix. In the normal form we are applying both row operations and column operations. First we are applying row operations to make the below the diagonal elements 0, and then column operations above the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, first I observe here 1 in place of R3 first element and R4 first element, friends. So that I interchange here R1 interchange R3, R1 interchange R3 first step. Now I want to make these three elements 0. So I apply some row operations here and then make these 3 elements 0. Okay, now by using R2 I want to make this element 0. So write the row operations, make element 0. Now what I observe here, third row is 0, friends. You always remember the 0 row is must be below the non-zero row, below the non-zero row. Okay, so I interchange here. And then I observe all the below the diagonal elements are 0. Now I am going to column operations. So clearly here I observe here -1, and this term is 0, and we have 3 here. So by using C1 I want to make these 2 elements 0. So I apply column operations. I make 0 here. And then by using C2 I want to make this element 0. Simply I apply column operations. I make that element also 0. Still I get one element here. So by using C3 I can make this element 0, friends. So I apply row operations here. I make that element also 0. But what is normal form? What is normal form? IR 0 0 0. That means here all the elements are either 1 or 0. So I divide R2 by 6 and R3 by 6, friends. Then I get here 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. So number of non-zeros is 3. So the normal form is I3 0 0 0. This form is called normal form. What is rank here, friends? Rank is 3. Okay, this is about normal form, its problem. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.